Hello, welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the rear shocks on this 2010 Ford Mustang. For this project, we will be using the KYB brand shock absorber. So, first thing you have to do is pull off this carpet from the trunk. This way, you'll have access to the top of the shocks. Use a 15mm wrench to remove the nut. To prevent the shock absorber rod from spinning, use a channel lock to hold it in place. When I start loosening the knot, the channel lock will hit the body of the car and prevent it from spinning. Tapos, ganyan. Continue removing the knot.
Yes! Yes!
Before removing the bolt, remember this is a catch knot. Stay clear of this catch knot to prevent injuries. Remove this 15mm bolt with this 15mm wrench. Take out the bolt. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old shocks and new shocks. Press the new shocks 2 or 3 times to activate it before installing it. Lubricate the mounting area before inserting the rubber bushing to prevent it from squeaking. Insert the metal plate and install the new shocks. The nut is a self-locking nut, which means it has nylon on top, so you don't need thread locker. The new nut is a 19mm nut, so use a 19mm wrench. Using a jack, raise the lower arm to align the holes. While it is aligned on the other side, insert the bolt. Then, lower the jack to align the other side. Ooh. With this bolt, I'm gonna add some thread locker to help hold it in place. Torque this to 80 foot-pounds of torque. Don't forget to replace the other side as well. And that's how you replace the rear shocks of this 2010 Ford Mustang. My name is Helen, and this has been another episode of How to Helen. See you in the next video.